I'm in the Lake District and I am with my boyfriend, who is holding a light for me because otherwise the camera flickers because this van has LED lighting. So we're in the Lake District and we're here for Kendal Mountain Festival. We've hired a van, we're having a fun weekend, but we've decided to get a hike in and we're gonna head up Helvellyn. It is 5:45. We got up at 5, just eating some porridge and making some hot chocolate and stuff for the hike. And then we're gonna set off. And I'll introduce Louis later when you can see him properly. Actually, put it on you.
Ta-da!
Hi. So yeah, we're gonna set off.
I've already been introduced on one video.
I meant introduce.
Again, I think you've got like a new
I meant
boyfriend
introduce.
every week.
Okay, this is.
I'm the same guy.
It's the same guy. Let me try that one more time.
This is my new boyfriend. As I choked on my coffee.
Okay. Yes, we're going to set off and it's going to be dark for the first hour and a half of the hike, but we would love to be up on Striding Edge for sunrise, even though it doesn't look likely that we're going to get a good sunrise today, but we're being optimistic. So we will see. But yeah, we're going to go hike Helvellyn and have fun.
Ready?
Ready. So excited. I remember this gate last time I did Helvellyn because I couldn't open it. How do I open the gate? Oh. Wow. Helvellyn. Helvellyn.
Helvellyn.
Helvellyn.
Please don't ever call it that.
So we're halfway up Helvellyn. Quick ad break. This video is supported by YFood, who provide these very tasty, ready-to-drink complete meals in drink form. I talked about these last year. They are high in fibre, high in protein, they are gluten-free and lactose-free, and they contain 26 vitamins and minerals to give you a nutritionally balanced meal whilst you're on the go. I've picked vanilla for today's adventure, but they also have chocolate, coconut, banana, and coffee. They're pretty convenient for my lifestyle because I am on the go a lot and I do struggle with trying to stay healthy and like get enough nutrition into my diet when I'm on the go all the time, and these make it pretty easy. They're so convenient. I just keep a few of these in my car so that I've always got something as a go-to when I'm on the move, when I'm on adventures, and they're just super handy to take on a hike. They don't take up much room, and once you've drank them you've got an empty bottle then and it doesn't weigh very much. So they also have enough calories to fuel your adventure, whatever it is you're doing. So check them out. They're pretty tasty and it's also a great way to keep nutrition and vitamins and minerals in your diet whilst you're on the go.
Come on, let's go.
So steep. Help. So hard.
I don't like it.
I don't like it. So for anyone who hasn't climbed Helvellyn before, the route starts in Glenridding, which is a really lovely place next to Ullswater. Restaurants, shops, things like that, great big car parks. And then we head up. We are doing Striding Edge and then up to the summit and then down Swirral Edge. So there are a number of routes up and down Helvellyn, but if you wanted to tick off one of the ridges, I think Striding Edge is a really nice beginner ridge because it's quite wide. It's not as scary or sharp as like Cribgoch or Sharp Edge on Blencathra. So if you did want to kind of add a bit more excitement to one of your hikes, then do Helvellyn via Striding Edge. And I'll show you soon what it looks like. This has just turned into the most beautiful day. We've decided to actually head up a different path this time and do a different route than we've both done before. We're going to head up Swirral Edge and then back down Striding Edge. So it's nice to be doing something a little bit different. The lake looks amazing. It's just such a great day. It's just a great day.
Fantastic day.
Fantastic. We made it to the start of Swirral. So it's kind of these rocky bits. You can bypass it at the side if you want to. And then a nice steep scramble up and he's taking the piss out of me YouTubing.
I'm not taking cute candid pictures. Smile. Hijack the channel. This is Louise Adventures. If you ignore that lady in the background, she keeps following me.
Woohoo! So we've just made it to the top of Swirral Edge. We are on the summit. The summit is over on the other end. Woo! Made it.
Well done.
Helvellyn. Here's the summit. Woo! So we started down there by the lake. We've come up this path and along this ridge, which is so cool to see it from up here. So we've just finished Striding Edge, and look, I don't know if you can see in the background, it is like ants up there. It's crawling with people. Like at least 100 people just here at the start of the route, so we're so glad we started early. Definitely recommend it on the more popular mountains because that is not fun. But that was the most fun.
That was a good one.
That was a good one. So we went up Swirral Edge and then back via Striding Edge. We're now heading back into Glenridding. We're planning to go for a wild swim in Ullswater, which is going to be cold. And then we're heading back to Kendal Mountain Festival for our final day there, day and evening at the festival. So it's been a pretty awesome day.